Have you ever pondered upon the delicate equilibrium that exists between academic excellence and mental well-being? Are you aware of the intricate balance required to maintain this and its importance? In an era where the pressure to excel academically is escalating, the toll it takes on the mental well-being of students is a growing concern. There is a solution to this pressing issue. A three-pronged approach can help in maintaining this crucial balance. Let us delve into each of these points. Firstly, the promotion of a healthy work-life balance. It's vital to encourage students to not only focus on their studies, but also to engage in extracurricular activities, spend quality time with their loved ones, and pursue hobbies outside of academics. This approach aids in mitigating stress and fostering overall well-being. By finding a balance between academic responsibilities and personal lives, students can alleviate the immense pressure they experience to incessantly excel. Secondly, there's a call for schools to provide access to counseling services and mental health resources. Trained counselors should be readily available to assist students in dealing with academic stress, anxiety, and other mental health challenges they may face. By creating a safe and supportive environment, students can freely express their concerns and seek help. This is crucial in addressing mental health issues effectively and promptly. Finally, the introduction of relaxation techniques can greatly aid in managing stress and improving mental well-being. Practices such as mindfulness meditation, yoga, and deep breathing exercises can help students relax, reduce anxiety, and enhance their focus. Incorporating these practices into the school curriculum or offering them as extracurricular activities can equip students with valuable tools to manage their mental health effectively. To wrap up, the balance between academic excellence and mental well-being can be maintained by promoting a healthy work-life balance, providing access to counseling services, and introducing relaxation techniques. Schools play a critical role in creating a nurturing environment that fosters both academic excellence and mental well-being. It's paramount for educational institutions to prioritize these measures to ensure the holistic development and success of their students. Remember, a balanced student is a successful student.